the car show at May 28th up at Valley Springs. Here you go. We finally made it up the hill.
For you, that hill or the mountain?
The mountain for me, hill for Aiden. Check it out. Couple Cobras. And a Ford pickup. We have an AMC Gremlin. Our All-American Classic Car Repair. I wonder if that's that shop. Gremlin. There's Aiden next to the Chevy Vega wagon. Pretty cool. And other cars that you don't hardly see anymore. I'm guessing like a 64. I might be way off year-wise. 72, yeah. I was way off.
So nice.
Cool looking Chevy with the ghost flame. Ghost flame paint job. The GTO over here. GTO. And look at what I found. It's the old Dodge van truck from the Cherry Festival. It made it up here too. A Pontiac Chieftain. Can't even say it.
Chieftain.
That's all right.
Sorry, brother. I'm sorry.
That's all right. Check it out, 1950 Ford F1. A little bit better looking than mine. Next to an old Chevy Corvette. At a straight 6. 3 deuces, I'm assuming. Single barrel? I don't know. 54. Good looking pickup, that's for sure.
Right on 49 there.
It just doesn't have a bumper.
World close.
Did they get a good response at Alabama?
Oh yeah, except that we're in the wrong class.
Oh,
He put in the wrong class. It won an award, but wasn't what
No, it won Best Engineered and Best
undercarriage.
Undercarriage or something. That was
Autorama.
Autorama.
Because he was in with the lead sleds.
But in LA, it won Best Engineered.
Right.
And they found out they had a class called, they had a group called the Slonaker Award.
That was first. Yeah.
That's what we should have been.
Yeah, but they
We didn't even know about it.
With that area.
But that's what they're trying to compete with the Riddler Award.
oh,
But there was a $25,000 prize if you would have won it, and a couple of the judges that we talked to said it had a chance.
Yeah, he put it in the wrong category.
Yeah, we didn't know.
I'll talk to you later.
All right.
you need some inside scoop from someone to tell you,
we
you know.
didn't know nothing. We only had a 10 by 20 spot. We just pulled in, and everybody swarmed the car from the first day we put it. They couldn't believe it.
Really.
And then we're listening to it. We went to the awards thing, and they go, "You guys are winning a couple things." They won. I don't know what it won. It won Best Engineered over the whole show, which I thought was pretty bizarre. 'Cause you're talking $1 million cars and shit.
Right.
It beat everybody. They just.
Well, I know Riddler. Riddler is a big deal.
Yeah.
You know, if you get a Riddler.
But you'd have to ask me the first show you take it to. But at the Pomona, at the Rosa show, they have something called the Slonaker Award, which is competing with, that's your first time out, but we didn't know.
No, I thought I would see you up there because I seen you at the Cherry Festival. So I says, well, he said he's from Valley Springs, so he's bound to be there.
Yeah, right down the road, man. Got to drive it, didn't have to deal with the trailer. And
I don't believe it. I just walked right past it when I first came in. I went that right there and didn't even see
he's
it.
got his reserved spot right here. What'd you think of that Hot Rod Holly out there?
My special request from Danny. Here's his El Camino 327. He's a buddy of Mike's with that Impala Mino. Check it out. Good looking set of gauges there. Bow tie sub on the steering wheel. Pretty cool. Bow tie floor mats. El Camino. I just caught this coming up. It's right after this Toyota here, which is cool. You never see those anymore either. But check it out. An AMX. But they showed it, all the other cars are before this, they showing close-ups of it. And this one, they just happened to be cut it whenever driving out. Bummer. This video is from the Willow River Car Club Car Show. Classic Cars, Hot Rods. From Matt's Rad Show. Published May 27th, 2022.
Very cool. Right next to the 31 Ford Model 8 here.
I picked this one because of, this is the same, it has the Javelin.
We got a 1972 Javelin. Has a 304 in it.
And this is the same video that I got that AMX from. Right?
23 Porsche here.
Why is he taking the body? The frame is crooked.
Little Porsches are fun. Just talking to the owner, how it handles and everything. He says it's a lot of fun. It feels like driving a go-kart. So much fun. Not too fast. 85 horse, I think he said. He's gonna start it up for us here. He's gonna start her up here so we can get a good feel for how these engines sound here. It does kind of sound like a VW bus, doesn't it? Yeah, that's fun. There you go. Yeah, it does kind of have that VW sound, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's got more bass to it. More bass to it. All right.
There it is. Right. They did do a close-up of that AMX.
The 1969 AMC AMX.